Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about the friend function. There is a feature in C++ called friend function and friend class that breaks the rule and allow us to access member function from outside the class. There are data encapsulation. So with the help of data encapsulation, we are avoiding or we are binding data members to that respective class so that access of these data members will be restricted. But with the help of friend keyword, either friend class and friend function, we can break that rule. Similarly, there is friend class. So friend function in C++, a friend function can access the private and protected data of a class. A friend function can be declared as a global function as well as member of another class. So we declare a friend function using the friend keyword inside the body of class. So syntax for this class name in within that class, friend, return type, function name, argument. This friend function, that is function name, will be either global function or this will be the function of the another class. Next thing, this is one program related to friend function. So here is a integer kilometer. This is the private member that can't be accessed outside the class, and distance kilometer 0, we are assigning thing integer add to. This add to, it is a friend function of class distance, so this will be access this kilometer parameter. So with the help of the object of this class distance d dot kilometer plus is equals to 2, we are accessing that parameter that will be private. Next, output, it will produce the output distance in kilometer 2. So whatever value here passed, add to d. So whatever value, it will be adding 1 plus 1, it will be adding 2. So this is the value 2 for the distance. So add to is a friend function that can access both public and private data members of the function. Next thing about the friend class. A friend class can access private and protected members of other class in which it is declared as friend. So it is sometimes useful to allow a particular class to access private members of other class. So such a concept like that friend. So friend having the authority or friend having something that access of the things of friends, like that friend function access the properties or access the member of friend class. Like that, here we are making one class as a friend of another class, so this class is able to access the private protected, means all the members of that class. So features of a friend function: the function is not in the scope of the class to which it has been declared as a friend. It cannot be called using the object as it is not in the scope of that class. Third one, it is invoked like a normal function using the object. Fourth, it can access members directly using that object and dot operator. Last one, it can be declared either in the private or a public part. Friend functions and friend classes in combined. So following are the some important points of friend functions and classes. Friends should be used only for limited purpose. Too many functions or external classes as declared as a friend of a class with protected or private data. Friendship is not mutual, means if class A is friend of B, then we can't say that class B is friend of A automatically. Friendship is not inherited, means if A and B is friend of A and C is friend of B, then we can't say C is friend of class A. The concept of friend is not there in a Java. It is only in a CPP. Okay. Thank you all of you.